Hello and welcome to this tutorial on getting started to use the instadub software. This is part 3 where we will be quickly going through how to set up an unfollow action. You'll find the unfollow tab indicated by the menu icon here, and it's the usual tab of accounts at the bottom and how to specify the action at the top. Check the account you want to create an unfollow action with. And then we have a decision. Do you want to unfollow all the users you are following? To do this, you will scrape the followings from Instagram and then unfollow them. Or you can specify to only unfollow users followed by the bot. This allows you to maintain a step removed between what you do with your account on your phone and what you do with the account in instadub. If you don't want to unfollow users who you have followed manually because you're interested in them and want to keep up to date with them, do make sure you check the option check unfollow if followed by bots. Also, you can specify a specific list of users you want to unfollow. And another option to be aware of is do not unfollow if the user is following you. If you unfollow the user, they are following you, and if they notice, they may unfollow you back. Or you may be following too many users that you do just have to unfollow users who may be following you. The choice is yours. Other options: unfollow after X days. You can only specify to unfollow after you have followed them for a certain period if you are performing a unfollowed by bot. This is because the data used to know how long you've been following the user for comes from instadub. It is not provided by Instagram. So if we are unfollowing by the bot, we can specify only unfollow users that we have followed for longer than 7 days. Using this option, it allows you to make the decision that if the user hasn't logged on and seen you've followed them in 7 days, then perhaps they have logged on and they've decided not to follow you. So you can do big unfollow actions fairly safe in the knowledge that these users will not be following you. The number that we want to unfollow is for unfollow 5. Pause randomly between each unfollow between 1 and 9 seconds, and I want to run this action every 2 hours. Once that's all set up, click the unfollow button. As always, notification, the action has been sent to our processing tab. The action here is run. So, scraping through the logs of my account. And as I only added this account for these getting started tutorials, which was about 10 minutes ago, you can see we are ignoring all my unfollows. All the accounts I've followed with the bot because I've only followed them for 0 days. So just to show you how it will actually unfollow, go back to the unfollow tab and I will remove the option here, and then I'll click unfollow, go back to the tab, and we'll see it finding users, not checking that we have followed them for a few days. There's a user unfollowed successfully, pausing 8 seconds, and so on. When that has completed, then the action will be rescheduled, and like the action that completed earlier, without actually unfollowing anyone due to ignoring, that action was rescheduled for here. And that's how you set up an unfollow action. Do check out the other tutorials in this Getting Started series for more information, and where to find the more in-depth complex tutorials. Do come along to the forum at rootjazz.com/forum. Thank you for watching.